Didn't I dump that one?
Yeah.
What's that?
You wounded him.
Should I shoot him?
No.
Huh?
No.
No. You sure we came to kill ducks? Oh, here comes the big.